Today I am reviewing the Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop ACT1250. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance gaming desktop that delivers insane power, top-tier graphics, and premium design, the Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop ACT1250 is one of the most impressive systems you can get today. This desktop combines cutting-edge hardware, futuristic graphics, and an iconic Alienware design to provide a gaming and content creation experience like no other. Let's start with the processor performance. At its heart, this desktop features the Intel Core Ultra 7265F, a powerhouse capable of handling heavy multitasking, gaming, streaming, and content creation simultaneously. Coupled with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, this system ensures that even the most demanding applications run smoothly without stuttering or lag. Whether you're editing 4K videos, streaming on multiple platforms, or running AAA games at max settings, the Aurora ACT1250 keeps up effortlessly. Graphics are where this system truly shines. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, built on the advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, you can experience ultra-realistic visuals, real-time ray tracing, and AI-enhanced graphics. Games look stunning, whether it's fast-paced shooters, open-world adventures, or immersive RPGs. You'll enjoy fluid frame rates, breathtaking detail, and lifelike lighting that pulls you right into the game world. Storage and speed are also top-notch. The 1TB SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, rapid game load speeds, and ample room for your favorite games, applications, and media files. Combined with high-performance DDR5 memory, this desktop is ready for anything, from hardcore gaming to professional content creation. Alienware hasn't forgotten about design and aesthetics. The Aurora ACT1250 comes in a sleek matte basalt black chassis with a clear panel to showcase the internal components. With customizable AlienFX lighting zones, including the iconic stadium lighting, you can create the perfect ambience for your gaming setup. Whether you like subtle elegance or full RGB immersion, the lighting is fully adjustable through the Alienware Command Center, allowing you to create unique profiles for every game or mood. For energy and reliability, this system is powered by a 1000W Platinum rated PSU, ensuring consistent and efficient power delivery for marathon gaming sessions. You can game, stream, and multitask for hours without worrying about throttling or instability. The Alienware Command Center software also gives you complete control over performance. You can monitor system health, adjust power modes, create custom gaming profiles, and fine-tune AlienFX lighting for each game in your library. This gives you total command over your gaming experience, making it easier than ever to optimize performance and aesthetics. Finally, Dell ensures peace of mind with 1-year on-site service. If an issue arises that can't be fixed remotely, a certified technician will come directly to your home or office to resolve it, ensuring your gaming setup stays up and running. In summary, the Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop ACT1250 is a beast for gamers and content creators alike. With Intel Core Ultra 7 processing power, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, and customizable AlienFX lighting, this desktop offers everything you need to dominate games, create content, and enjoy a stunning visual experience. For anyone looking for a high-performance, future-proof gaming PC, this Alienware system is truly in a league of its own.